Stomach sac-like expansion of the digestive system between the esophagus and small intestine. It is located in the interior portion of the abdominal cavity in most vertebrates. The stomach serves as a temporary receptacle for storage and mechanical distribution of food before it is passed into the intestine. In animals whose stomach contain digestive glands, some of the chemical process of digestion also occur in the stomach. The human stomach is subdivided into four regions: the fundus, the expanded area cleaving up above the cardiac opening, the opening from the stomach into the esophagus, the body or the intermediate region, the central and the largest portion, and the antrum, and the lowermost, somewhat funnel shaped portion of the stomach, and the polyrus, a narrowing where the stomach joins the small intestine. Each of the openings, the cardiac and the polaric, has a sphincter muscle that keeps the neighboring region closed except when food is passing through. In this manner, food is enclosed by the stomach until ready for digestion. The stomach has the ability to expand or contract depending upon the amount of food contained within it. When contracted, the interior walls form the numerous folds which disappear when the walls are distended. The thick mucous membrane lining of the wall is densely packed with a small gastric gland. These secrete a mixture of enzymes and the hydrochloric acid that partially digest protein and fat. The stomach muscles are rarely inactive upon entry of food. They relax briefly, then begin to contract. Periodic contraction churn them and the knead food into the semi-fluid mixture called chyme. Rhythmical pumping waves move food toward the polyratus and small intestine. Peristaltic contraction parasist from the stomach empties and increase with time, may become painful. Such hunger pangs also be related to the amount of sugar in the blood. If the level of sugar decreases significantly, hunger can be experienced without the stomach's intervention. The absorption of food, water, and electrolytes by the stomach is particularly negligible, but iron and highly fat soluble substances such as alcohol and some drugs are absorbed directly. Secretions and movements of the stomachs are controlled by the vagus nerves and the systematic nervous system. Emotional stress can also alter normal stomach functions. Common stomach disorder including peptic ulcer, cancer, and gastritis. The stomach of some other animals differ considerably from that of human. Many have multiple chambered organ or specialized adaptation. The stomach of cows and cute chewing animals are divided into four separate parts. Food is received first in the human, where mucus is added and cellulose is broken down. Next, it goes back to the mouth to be thoroughly rechewed. Once swallowed again, it is passed to the second and third chamber, the reticulum and omasum, where water is extracted and absorbed. The food then goes to the final chamber, the abomuseum, to receive the digestive enzyme. Birds have three chambers stomach. The first chamber, the crop, they receive food initially and either store or begin to moist and soften it. The true stomach area adds digestive juices and gist with its stones or tooth-like structure grinds with food. Rhinos have only one stomach area, and many must eat their first twice before absorption take place. Food is eaten and passed through the lower digestive tract, where it is coated with metabolism to help break it down.